Attorney, mayong hapon. Sir, ano po ang update kay Senator Bato de la Rosa? Many are asking kung totoo ba yung sinasabing nahuli. May mga teorya pa na meron daw eroplano galing sa Cebu na naglipad sa kanya, papunta na raw ng ICC. Sir,
Sana hindi totoo, no? Sana hindi totoo. Kasi nga when I heard a lot of news, no? News kahapon, daming tumatawag sa akin at daming nagti-text, no? Pero ang nabantayan ko, hindi tumawag yung kliyente ko. At saka hindi rin tumawag yung members ng family niya. So, kaya hindi ako masyado worried. And I think sana totoo itong kutob ko na hindi talaga ito totoo. Because had it been true, he would have called me right away.
po, may mga nagsasabi rin sir na yung sa mga nagko-comment sa social media na maaari daw ang hakbang ito para ma-locate yung eksakto na posisyon o lokasyon ngayon ng senador, ita-triangulate yung kanyang location. May mga experience tayo in the past, sir. Ano pong tingin niyo dyan?
Kaya nga nasabi ko sa isang interview na hindi ako nagsasabi na ito nga talaga, pero isa sa mga theories po na aking na craft is baka pakana ito na para magtawag ako or magtawag yung any member of the family of Senator Bato de la Rosa at matriangulate na. Naranasan na kasi natin ito in the past, no? Sa mga kaso po na na-handle natin. Kaya I really disciplined myself not to call my client at that time kasi there is really that big possibility that this might be a ploy for us to contact our client. And if we did that, then that would have, produced a certain vibration which would enable the authorities to locate him.
Pero sir, wala namang active Filipino warrant o Philippine warrant?
Wala nga eh. Wala nga eh.
Ganun, attorney?
Oo, kaya nga, yun nga ang pilit natin sanang pinapaabot po sa administration that first, we are no longer a party to the Rome Statute as early as March 17 of 2019. The request for investigation was only made in September of 2021, more than 2 years after we withdrew from the Rome Statute. And wala rin pong batas na kung merong ICC warrant ito is equivalent na ito ng isang Philippine warrant of arrest. Kinakailangan na yung proseso po sana ng ICC ay idaan po sa ating local processes. Even the Rome Statute under Article 59 requires that nung pagdakip kay, kay former President Duterte. Pero hindi po ito nasunod. At saka yung theory of cooperation on the part of the executive department na nagko-cooperate lang daw sila in compliance with international treaty, pag nag-involve na yan ng arrest of a Filipino person, then the Bill of Rights would operate and therefore the 1987 Constitution should be followed. Yun po ang aming stand dyan.
Sir, lasa lang, how is the De La Rosa family holding up right now, sir, sa mga challenges na hinaharap po ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa?
They have remained strong, faithful to the Lord Almighty, always praying that everything will turn out to be fine. And I hope and pray that they will continue to be strong despite all the challenges that they are facing these days. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Attorney Torion, good afternoon.